Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Race, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button. After you open the settings, find the general option and tap on it to enter. And here, scroll down and find the option called Reset Settings. Once you find it, tap on it, and then tap on the reset button right here at the top to confirm and start the resetting process. After the resetting process is complete, the watch will turn off, and you can then turn it back on by pressing and holding the upper button. The reset will take quite some time. It's actually quite long for this watch. So if it's like going for the longer periods of time, don't worry, everything is fine. It just takes some time. As you can see, the watch turned off at the moment, and if you want to turn it back on, press and hold the upper button. Once you see the Suunto logo on the screen, you can release it, and after that the watch should turn on, and you should see the message on the screen that says select the language or something like that, and that means that the factory reset is complete, like this. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.